Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to talk about something today that I know a lot of you have been waiting for. If you've ever struggled with crafting the perfect sales copy or have found yourself spending hours trying to write compelling content that doesn't convert, I think you'll want to stick around. Because today, I'm reviewing a product that could completely change the way you approach copywriting, and it's the Ready-Made Copywriting PLR Content Bundle. So, let's get into it. First off, what is PLR content? Well, PLR stands for Private Label Rights. Essentially, this means you're getting fully rebrandable content that you can use as your own. You're not just buying generic, overused articles, you're getting professionally created, high-quality materials that you can personalize, rebrand, and resell for profit. And when it comes to copywriting, having access to PLR content can save you so much time and effort. Now, this bundle I'm talking about today comes with everything you need to get started creating your own copywriting products, or just using it for your own business. It's designed to help you write persuasive ad copy that actually works. And the best part, it combines both handcrafted strategies and AI-powered tools to create the most effective copy you can imagine. In this package, you'll find 3 in-depth ebooks: AI-powered persuasion, effortless copywriting, and from copy to conversion. These are packed with insider knowledge, tricks, and tips that'll help you write copy that stands out and converts. Let's start with AI-powered persuasion. This ebook dives into how you can grab your audience's attention with the perfect headline, something that we all know is crucial in getting your readers to actually engage with your content. It also goes into detail on how to tailor your website copy to your audience, making it feel personal and relevant, which is essential for conversion. We also get into the psychology of persuasion, something that's been proven time and time again to make a huge impact on sales. Plus, you'll learn how to merge SEO with AI to boost your visibility online. If you've ever felt like you're missing that extra spark in your copy, this ebook will definitely provide that insight. Then there's effortless copywriting. If you're like me, you've probably been overwhelmed by how much technology is involved in copywriting these days. But the good news is, AI is here to help, not replace. This ebook shows you how AI can actually make writing easier, not harder. You'll learn how to craft irresistible sales letters, optimize them for the best results, and personalize them at scale using AI. It's all about using the right tools to automate and refine your copy so that you're not spending all your time testing and tweaking manually. If you've ever wanted to optimize your copy on the fly, this ebook will be a game changer. The third ebook, From Copy to Conversion, is all about turning those readers into paying customers. It goes beyond just writing for engagement and gets into how you can craft copy that connects with your audience and, most importantly, converts. You'll learn how to write headlines that make people stop scrolling and how to find your unique voice in a crowded market. There's a ton of actionable advice here for anyone struggling to get their audience to take the next step. But here's the thing, it's not just the ebooks that make this bundle so valuable. The Ready-Made Copywriting PLR Content Bundle also comes with an entire sales package. You'll get ready-made sales pages, thank you pages, promotional banners, and even professional product image graphics, all of which are fully customizable and ready for you to rebrand and sell. So if you've ever wanted to create your own digital product, this is the easiest, fastest way to get started. The package is ready to go right out of the box, so you don't have to waste any time designing or figuring out the technical side of things. Just plug in your personal touch, and you're good to go. What really makes this bundle stand out, though, is the fact that it's so user-friendly. Even if you're not a seasoned copywriter, these resources are straightforward and packed with actionable strategies that you can implement immediately. And because you get full PLR rights, you can tweak the content to make it your own, even sell it if you'd like. It's like having a shortcut to becoming a pro at persuasive writing. The only thing I'd recommend is to dive into the content right away. This is one of those deals where the price increases with every sale, so the sooner you grab it, the better. If you've ever been curious about starting your own copywriting business or just want to step up your game, this is an incredible opportunity to access premium content that will save you tons of time and effort. So, if you're serious about improving your copywriting skills and boosting your sales, the ready-made Copywriting PLR Content Bundle is definitely something you want to check out. It's a comprehensive, ready-to-use solution that helps you write copy that's not just good, but high-converting. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's all for today's video. I hope this review was helpful for anyone looking to level up their copywriting skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions about the bundle. Catch you in the next video.